Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by prepping materials and protecting the skin: gloves, release agent, scissors, and plaster bandages. Mix nothing complicated, just use room temperature water. You only need to wet bandages and squeeze excess, because excess water weakens the cast. Once done, lay 1 2-inch strips and apply the first snug layer with 50% overlap to establish shape. Press out air bubbles to bond layers. Make sure to work quickly. Plaster sets in minutes, and this first layer controls final fit and support. Once the base is secure, continue building the core by adding 3 to 4 reinforcing layers, rotating strip direction to create cross-fiber strength. You press each strip smoothly and blend seams with gentle finger strokes so the surface is even and about 3 to 4 millimeters thick. This prevents weak spots when dry. Make sure to reinforce edges and any high-stress zones with extra strips or thin padding, because these areas absorb impact. Work methodically. Consistent pressure and overlap yield a durable. You finish by letting the cast cure undisturbed at room temperature for 24 to 48 hours. Avoid direct heat or sunlight because rapid drying causes cracking. Once fully hard, sand any high spots and seal with a breathable sealant or paint if desired. This protects but allows residual moisture to escape. If you find soft spots, apply a thin fresh plaster layer and let it set. For cracks, tape across the fracture, recoat, and allow full cure. This single troubleshooting fix restores integrity quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.